Did you know that the salt on your vegetables is actually a shield? Today, we are diving deep into lacto-fermentation to discover how simple brine transforms food into powerful gut-friendly superfoods. Lacto-fermentation is an ancient preservation method that uses naturally occurring bacteria to break down sugars. Instead of using vinegar or preservatives, we rely on salt and time to create a safe environment where beneficial microbes can thrive. When you submerge vegetables in salt water, the high salinity kills off harmful bacteria on the exterior. This selective pressure allows specific good bacteria, like Klebsiella and Enterobacter, to flourish immediately as they begin consuming the vegetable sugars. As the process continues, acidity levels rise, creating an oxygen-free zone that favors different species. Leuconostoc mesenteroids takes charge in this second phase, producing gas and ensuring a strict anaerobic environment essential for safety. After about a week, the bubbling stops as conditions become perfect for lactobacillus species like L. brevis and L. plantarum. These specific strains proliferate, lowering the pH further to lock in preservation and maximize nutrient bioavailability. These isolated bacteria are known scientifically as probiotics, which are live microorganisms that provide health benefits when consumed. Unlike commercial pickles made with vinegar, authentic fermentation boosts your gut microbiome naturally. The final product is not just preserved food, it is a functional food group rich in live cultures. The transformation from raw vegetable to probiotic powerhouse happens entirely through bacterial action and lactic acid production. Now you understand the fascinating science behind turning simple vegetables into digestive health heroes. Have you ever made your own lacto-fermented foods? Let me know what you are trying in the comments below.